Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can convert image to a PDF file in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you can see here is an image into my desktop. Like you can see this photo. If you open it, you can see this photo over here. So now I will convert it into a PDF in a very simple way. So first you just need to go for your browser, and then here you just need to search for Google Docs. Click on that. After that, here we are in Google Docs. So if you click on Google Docs, here they will require for a permission to sign in. So click on sign in, and here you can see that Google Docs is open over here. And now if you click on this blank document, click on that, and here you can see that we are in now Google Docs editing option over here. So now what we can do, if we minimize this and put it over here like this, we'll put it over here like this, and here is our picture. So now what we will going to do, we will going to drag it and going to paste it over here like this. After that, here you can see that this picture is set it into our Google Docs. And now if you want to change or customize its length, like I will going to drag to make it more bigger like this. And after completing your editing, you just need to come over at the file option over here, click on that, and then here you will get an option called download. And now if we come over this download section, you can see a lot of option, but you will find PDF document.pdf option is over here. So now if you click on PDF documents, here you can see this file is downloaded over here. And now if we go for this show in folder option, click on that, and then here is our PDF document. So if we now click and drag it to desktop over here like this, now if we minimize it, here you can see here is our document or PDF file over here. So if we now click on it for open it, you can see this picture is in PDF format by this. So this is how you can convert photo into PDF in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.